Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Baba Ramdev's Patanjali ties up with BSNL, launches Swadeshi Samriddhi SIM cards. After becoming India's most trusted fast-moving consumer goods brand, Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev's Patanjali on Sunday entered the telecom sector. At an event, Baba Ramdev launched Swadeshi Samriddhi SIM cards, in alliance with Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, BSNL. Initially, only the employees and office bearers of Patanjali will be able to avail the benefits of the SIM card. After its full-fledged launch, people will get discount of 10% on Patanjali products with this card. Just with the recharge of Rs 144, one would be able to make unlimited calls across the country, get 2 GB data pack and send 100 SMSs. Apart from this, people will also get health, accidental and life insurances. Speaking on the occasion, Ramdev said government-owned BSNL is a Swadeshi network and the motive of both Patanjali and BSNL is the welfare of the country. There are 5 lakh counters of BSNL and from there people can soon get Patanjali Swadeshi Samriddhi card, Ramdev said. Talking about the company's motive prosperity for charity, he further said that in addition to attractive data and call package, also comes with the medical and life insurance covers of Rs 2.5 lakh and Rs 5 lakh, respectively. However, the covers could only be availed in the case of road accident. Sunil Garg, BSNL Chief General Manager, who was also present here also praised the tie-up of Patanjali and BSNL. Patanjali's plan is BSNL's best plan. In Rs 144, one can make unlimited calls from any part of the country. We are giving 2 GB data pack, 100 SMSs. The members of the Patanjali has to just show their identity and their SIM will be activated soon after some paperwork, he said. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.